Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good night. And first of all, let us express our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for His blessing, which allowed us to be here today in good health. On this association, we would like to present our material for the politics and public policy, cursed under the guidance of our respected lecturer, Rizky Shafil, SHI. In this presentation, we will discuss about mengkomunikasikan aktor-aktor kebijakan publik dalam proses politik sebuah kebijakan dengan studi kasus unjuk rasa penertiban pedagang Selasar dan PKL ke basement fase 7 uh, kelompok 4. Nah, alright. And this topic is important to study because public policy plays a crucial role in the guiding government actions. And then addressing society issues and shaping the welfare of the community. We hope that through in this presentation we can provide a better understanding of the topic and contribute to a meaningful discussion regarding political process and policy making. And without further ado, let us begin our presentation. Thank you. And wait. All right. After this question, we would like to introduce ourselves and the presenter of in this group. My name is Mohammed Samuktar with the name uh, 2204 double two and double six, and I am the moderator for the presentation, and I am accompanied by my group members. For the first is Anugrah Nur Iman with name 2204 to 2376, and the second is Arif Rahman Satria with the name 2204 2347, and the third is Meliani with the name 2204 2254. And the next is Novitiati with the name 2204 2276. And the next is Ricky Fernando Helmi with the name 2204 2152. And the last is Indah Zakia Putri with the name 2204 2238. All right, we will work together to explain the material related to our topic today. At the end of the presentation, we hope there will be a discussion session so that we can exchange ideas and perspective regarding in this topic. All right. The first material will be explained with Anugrah Nur Iman. The time is yours.
Thanks to moderator. The market area planning policy, especially in the Phase 7 project, is a manifestation of the regional government effort to create modern, clean, and orderly city governance. However, in practice, the policy of relocation traders from the lobby area to the basement often triggers a sharp conflict of interest between the government's aesthetic vision and the economic reality of the trader. The demonstration phenomenon that occurs show to unpreparedness of the political communication system in bridging to needs of traders who rely on the accessibility of buyer in the issue with formal government regulation. This conflict reflects that public policy is not just an administrative instrument, but rather an arena for competing interests involving various actors with similar goals vary. Next. Next, the importance of police actor analysis. Before understanding the essence of conflict, we need to realize the effectiveness of a police really depends on the extent to which the actor in it interact with each other. Analyze this is crucial because number one, identification of interest maps. Differentiate between actors with authority formal with actors who have real influence in the field. Number two, minimize police failure. Help the governments predict potential social resistance before the policy is fully implemented. Number three, increase legitimacy. Guarantee that the voice of the affected group or traders heard so the politic have high social acceptability. Next, formulation problem. Based on the background above, this study focused on several questions. Fundamental for this dissecting the dynamic that occurs. Number one, who are the dominant actors and marginal actors in the political process of ordering past 7 traders? Number two, what are the political communication patterns used by internal traders? Respond to the relocation police. Number three, what are the main trigger factor for the political deadlock that lead the action rally? That's all from me. I return into the moderator. Thank you.
All right, thank you for the explain the Anugrah. And the next, I would like to invite the Indah to continue the presentation by explaining the first section of our topic. For the Indah, the time is yours.
Thanks to moderator. Study objectives. Specifically, the objectives of this study are number one, analyze control policy as part of public policy. Number two, identify the actors involved in formulation and implementation policy. Number three, examining the cause of demonstration as a form of social response. Number four, understand the dynamic of conflict of interest between the government and traders. Next. Understanding public policy. Public policy is an important concept in public administration and political science, which explains how the government responds to various social problems. In general, public policy is a series of discussion and action created by the government to solve public problems and achieve certain goals relation to the public interest. According to Thomas R.D., public policy is whatever is causing government to do or not to do. This definition confirms that every government crisis have consequences for society. Meanwhile, James Anderson stated the public policy is a series of action discussion designed to solve public problems through state administrative mechanism. Thus, the policy for controlling street vendors is a public policy because it was created by the government and has a direct impact on society. Next. Characteristic of public policy. Based on public policy theory, There are several main characteristics. Number one, goal-oriented is designed to complete public problems. Number two, made by an authorized government agency has legal legitimacy. Number three, it is binding and has a broad impact. It influence society as whole general. Number four is the result of political and administrative process is involving purpose, actors, and interests, unless relation to the public interest is regarding needs and problems public. Thanks. I'm return to moderate.
All right. Thank you for explaining the Indah Zakia Putri. Next, I would like to invite the group. The next is Meliani. The time is yours.
Thank you, the moderator. I will continue with the next material. Understanding policy actor. Policy actor are the parties involved in the process of creating, implementation, and evaluation of public policy. Policy actor can be individual, group, or institution that have an interest and influence on something policy. In public policy study, policy actors have an important role because they determine the direction of policy taken by the government. While in science, politics, policy actors are understood as actors who interacts in the political system to advance their interests through public policy. According to Thomas R. D. Public policy everything that is caution government to do or not to do. Therefore, policy actor has a big influence in determining government the caution. Next, types of policy actor. Policy actor in public policy process can be divided into two main groups, namely, number one, official actor. Official actor are parties who have formal authority in making policies. For example, government or executive, legislative institution, judicial institution, bureaucracy, or government apparatus. They have the legal power to formulate and set policies. Number two, unofficial actor, non-official actor. Unofficial actor are parties who do not have direct authority, make policy but can influence the policy process. For example, interest group, non-governmental organization, mass media, academic and expert, general public. These actors usually influence policy through advocacy, public opinion, or political pressure. Political process in policy. The political process in public policy is a process of interaction and competition between policy actors in determining a policy. In this process, each actor brings their own interests, value, and goal. This interaction can take the form of negotiation between policy actor, political debate in the legislative body, political lobbying from interest group, community participation through, through public aspiration. This political process so that public policy is not only administrative in nature, but is also the result of political dynamic and compromise between various interests in society. Thank you to back the moderator.
All right, thank you for the explain, Meliani. Next, I would like to invite Arif to continue the presentation by explaining the first the section of our topic. All right, to Arif, the time is yours.
Thanks, moderator. Okay. Public policy cycle structuring the Padang Grand Market, referring to the theory of William Endun and Thomas Erdai. The following are the policy states in the case of referring to the theory controlling street vendors at Pasaraya Padang. Number one, problem formulation. Core identify conditions that require government intervention. Case, occupancy of sidewalk by street vendors at Pasaraya Padang which disrupt pedestrian function and city aesthetic. The government defines this as a public space order problem. Number two, police formulation. Core develop various alternative solution and action. Case, the government design trader relocation option. One of the main solution is to move the lobby traders to the basement area of Pasaraya phase 7. Number three, police adoption. Core process of official decision making by competent authorities. Case, the Padang city government has established a formal policy to carry out control and relocation in order to restore the function of the sidewalk and the comfort of visitors. Number four, policy implementation. Core implementation of policies in the field by relevant agencies. Case, involvement of Satpol PP and the trade service in controlling traders. The success of this state is very dependent of communication and the attitude of implementers in the field. Number five, policy evaluation. Core assess the effectiveness of the policy on the initial problem. Case, the assessment was carried out by looking at the orderliness of the market area, the return on function of the sidewalk, and the sustainability of traders' economic activity and the new location as material for future policy improves. Next itu purpose of control policy. The objective of the police for controlling street vendors and street vendors in the basement of phase 7 include organizing public space. One of the main objective of controlling is to restore the vacation of public space such as sidewalks, walkways, and roads so that they can be used properly, especially by pedestrians. The presence of traders in this area often disrupt people's mobility, so more regular arrangements are needed. B. Correcting city order and order. Controlling is carried out to create more orderly condition in the city, with the relocation of traders to the past 7 basement. Trading activities are expected to take place in places of officially provided by the government. C. Improving environmental cleanliness and beauty. Trading activities in walkways and sidewalks often cause cleanliness problems such as rubbish and business waste. Therefore, controlling aim to improve the cleanliness and aesthetic of the city environment so that it looks neater and more comfortable for the public. D. Providing certainty of business location for traders. The relocation of traders to the basement of Phase 7 also aims to provide a clearer and more organized business location. With a predetermined location, traders are expected to be able to carry out their business more safely and orderly. E. Support trading activity management. Through this policy, the government can more easily manage trading activities, including in terms of supervision, arrangement of facilities, and empowerment of small traders. I will need to return the moderator.
All right. Thank you for the explain, Arif Rahman Satria. Next, I would like to invite Nafir Triati to continue the presentation. The time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. The next material, government actor. In the policy of controlling street and street vendor, the government is the main actor who has a role in planning, implementing, and monitoring the policy. Some of the government actors involved include A. Regional government. Regional government has the authority to formulate and establish policy related to the management of street vendors. The local government is also responsible for providing regulation localization such as the past 7 basement. B. Street department. The trade department play a role in regulation trade activities in the city area and managing the location profit for trades. This agency also playing a role in collection data on trade and facilitating the regulation process. C. The Civil Service Policy Unit. Satpol PP is tasked with enforcing regional related to public order and the use of public space. In the trade control policy, Satpol PP play a role in carrying out supervision and controlling action against trades who are still selling in property and area. D. Department of Transportation. The Department of Transportation is involved in the policy because the presence of threats in lanes and roads can affect the smooth of traffic. Therefore, this agency support the policy of structuring traders of create a more orderly traffic condition. A. Security focus. In certain situations, security focus such as the police are involved to maintain order during the control process or when there are demonstrations by trades. Next. American actor. Apart from the government, traders are also important actors in the dynamic of or regular policy, threats or test parties directly affected by the regulation policy. Some of the trading actors include A. Hallway trades. Hallway trades are traders of carry out business activity in the hall area or building hallway. They are a group directly affected by the government policy because they have to move to location profit by the government. B. Street vendors. Street vendors are small business who actually sell and sit wall, roading or other public space. The policy of relocation to the past 7 basement affect their business activity, especially regarding trading location and number of customer. C. Trader coordinator are representative in dealing with government policies. Traders usually have a representative or coordinator who functions as a liaison between traders and the government. Thus, representatives are also often the one who often treats as prince or demons. D. Paguyuban of or trades organization, trades association foundation as forum for strengthening trade solidarity and organizing joint activity include conveying aspiration, holding demonstrations against policy that are considered detrimental. Next.
Sorry, Novtrieti, maybe enough for you explain. The next material will be explained to Ricky Fernando. So thank you for the explain of Novtrieti. For the Ricky, the time is yours.
Thank for moderator. Security force actor is the political police process related to controlling street vendor and street vendor to basement of past 7. Security force have an important role in maintaining stability, order, and consuring police can be implemented safely. The security apparatus is tasked with overseeing the course of the police process, starting from the stage of conveying community aspiration to implementing police by the regional government. The security apparatus actors involved in this situation include the Indonesian National Police, Polri, and the Civil Service Police Unit Satpol PP. These two institutions have different but complementary duties and function to maintaining public order. Next, community actor. Community actor involved in this case include 1. Hallway trader and street vendor are the main parties affected by the control police. Group or representative of trader who acts as spokesperson in conveying aspiration to local government. Communities around the market or visitor who also feel the impact of change in the management of trading location. Next. Media actor. Mass media is important actor in the public policy process because it acts as a means of disseminating information as well as liaison between the governance and society. In the case of controlling street vendor and street vendor to the basement of past 7, the media played a role in reporting various development that's accurate, but relates to government policy and demonstration carried out by trader. The mass media in Indonesia are also under the supervision of institutions such as the Press Council, which is tasked with maintaining the professionalism and independence of the press in conveying information to the public. I, I will turn back to moderator.
All right, thank you for the explain, Ricky. The last material will be explained by myself. All right. In this material, I will be explaining interaction between actors. All right. The interaction in the plaza do not run linearly, but are for friction and effort to pressure each other. Between stakeholders, the dynamic of this interaction can summarize as follows. For the first is asymmetric power relation. The government use legal instrument or PERDA to expert pressure, while traders use the measures demonstration as a bargaining instrument. And the second is communication the vacuum. There was a failure of dialogue at the initial stage where the government outreach was considered to by only one way without absorbing traders' aspirations substantially. And the third is party intervention, the role of mass media and social organization, which also influence public opinion regarding the face of the police. All right, the second is form of policy conflict. The conflict is the emerged in the page 7 case was not simply a technical matter of transfer place, but rather the accumulation of several dimensions of conflict. The first is economic conflict. The traders' fear of loss of livelihood due to governance, the location of the basement is considered less strategic for buyers. And second is procedural conflict. Protests against a relocation mechanism that is deemed inappropriate, transparent, and seems rushed. And the last is value conflict. The conflict between the values of city order promoted by the bureaucracy with the value of the right to the economy the traders fight for. All right, in the last is dynamic of the political process. To conclude the analysis, we can see that political process in this plaza in the nature dynamic and always changing following the response of actor in the field. For the first is political mobilization. Demonstration are the most extreme form the political communication taken when formal channels are deemed ineffective. And the second is revision and concussions. The explain is political dynamic often force government to provide certain concessions or compensation to reduce the escalation or conflict. And the last is politicalism. This case confirms successful public policy require a balance between firmness of rules and empathy for the subject. All right, maybe I will explain the conclusion. The conclusion is the material is based on all of the explanation. It can be concluded that the policy of controlling and relocation street vendors to the basement past 7 Padang Raya Market in a complex political process, where the policy not only function as an administrative instrument for urban planning, but also becomes an arena for competing interests between official actors, city government, Satpol PP, trade department, and unofficial actor is traders, community organization, media, and the conflict and demonstration that emerges show that there were obstacles in the political communication in implementation stage, especially regarding the clash between the value of the public space order and the economic reality of traders. Therefore, the success of the policy is very dependent on the government ability to build inclusive dialogue, transparency, or procedures and alignment between regulatory objective and the substantive effective groups in order to minimize social resistance and increase policy legitimacy in the field. All right, maybe that's I will can say. Maybe finally we would like to thank you for the attention and participation. Maybe that's I will we can say, and maybe thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.